Symmetry extension with constructions. Symmetries can be used to construct regular polygons because of their unique shape. The example below shows how one isosceles triangle can be rotated or reflected repeatedly to create the regular octagon. Using these principles, let's complete three constructions. Construction of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is the foundation for some other constructions that we will be encountering later on. So we're going to start with constructing this shape. Number 1, construct a segment of any length. Step 2, take your compass and place the tip on one endpoint and make an arc. Your arc should be about 90 degrees, a fourth of a circle. Step 3, take your compass and place the tip on the other endpoint and make an arc that intersects your first arc. Step 4, make a point where your two arcs intersect. Then connect your 3 points with straight lines. Create an equilateral triangle using the segment below. Alright, let's get our compass out. We put one point there. We'll rotate it like this, and we'll stretch it out all the way to the other point. So like that. And we will draw an arc. Then we'll pick it up, move it to the other point, and draw another arc. Now, we'll move this to the side, we'll draw a dot right where they intersect, and we'll connect all of the dots with lines. And there we go, an equilateral triangle. Create an equilateral triangle using the segment below. Alright, so we have our compass, put it down on one point, we'll stretch it out until it's at the other point, like that, and we will draw an arc. Now I'm going to pick it up, move it to the other point, flip it around, and draw another arc. Alright, move this to the side, we'll draw a point right where they intersect, and we will connect them all with lines. So there we go, an equilateral triangle. Construction of an equilateral triangle with rod, string, and pencil. Step 1, construct a segment of any length. Step 2, place your rod on one endpoint and the pencil on the other. Extend your pencil to make an arc. Your arc should be about 90 degrees or 1/4 of a circle. Step 3, switch the places of your rod and pencil tip. Make an arc that intersects your first arc. Step 4, make a point where your two arcs intersect. Connect your 3 points with straight lines. Create an equilateral triangle using the segment below. Alright, well I would use rod and pencil, but I'm on a computer, so I'm going to do it using the compass again. So we're going to stretch this out until we're at the same length. Alright, not yet. There we go. Now I'm going to draw an arc. Alright, now I'm going to move this over here, flip this around, and draw another arc. I'll move the compass to the side, and I will connect the intersection here with these 2 points there. Alright, and there we have it, an equilateral triangle. Create an equilateral triangle using the segment below. Alright, once again, I'm on a computer, so I can't use the rod, string, and pencil. So I'm just going to use the compass again. Alright, stretch it out to the other point, and then I draw an arc. Then I pick the compass up, move it to this point, flip the compass around, and I will draw an arc like that. I move this over there, and I connect the points with the intersection of the two arcs like that, and I have my equilateral triangle. Click here to see a video demonstrating constructing equilateral triangles using dynamic geometric software. Construction of a regular hexagon. Step 1, construct a segment of any length. Step 2, create a circle with your center at one endpoint. It doesn't matter which one you use. Step 3, take your compass and place the tip on the other endpoint and make an arc that intersects your first arc. This point of intersection creates an equilateral triangle. Step 4, repeat step number 3 using the new point of intersection as the vertex. This point of intersection creates another equilateral triangle. Keep repeating this step until you reach point B. Step 5. Connect all of the intersection points created by the compass arcs and the circle to create your regular hexagon shown in green. Note, the additional diagonals are drawn in purple to show how a regular hexagon is created by rotating an equilateral triangle 60 degrees repeatedly or as a result of continuous reflections with the radii of the circle. Construct a regular hexagon using the segment below. Alright, so we have our compass. We are going to put the point there, and we'll stretch this out until it's at point U. So here, alright, like that. Now I'm going to draw a circle. Alright, then I'm going to take this and put the point there, and I'll flip it around, and I will draw an arc like that. Now I'll pick the compass up, put it down on my new point, draw an arc like that, pick it up, put it over there, draw another arc, pick it up, put it down here, draw an arc, alright, repeat, alright, here we go, and then one final arc, even though we don't really need to because this point's already there. Alright, so I will move this compass out of the way, and I will connect the intersections together with lines. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is our hexagon. Construct a regular hexagon using the segment below. Alright, let's grab our compass, and we're going to put the point on the W. We'll stretch this out to the X. Alright, so just like that, and we're going to draw a circle. Then we're going to pick the compass up, put it down on the X, flip this around, and start drawing arcs. Alright, so there's 1, then we'll pick this up, put it there, draw another arc, put it down there, draw another arc, put this here, draw another arc, pick it up, put it down, draw another arc. Alright, then we just connect the intersections with lines. Like that, there, 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 and there. And there is our regular hexagon.